Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the top 5 best action camera 2025 you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Imagine capturing your most thrilling adventures in stunning detail, all with a device that fits in the palm of your hand. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 action cameras of 2025, designed to immortalize every exhilarating moment. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a casual explorer, these cameras offer unparalleled features to suit your needs. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to get your hands on these cutting-edge devices. Let's embark on this journey to find the perfect companion for your next escapade. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the top 5 best action camera 2025. Let's begin. On number 5 is DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Imagine capturing your adventures with a camera that not only fits in your pocket but also delivers stunning 4K footage. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a game-changer in the action camera market, boasting a 1.3-inch sensor that captures sharp, vibrant images even in low-light conditions. Its impressive battery life allows for over 2 hours of continuous 4K recording, ensuring you never miss a moment. With dual OLED touchscreens, framing your shots becomes intuitive and effortless. The 360 degrees HorizonSteady stabilization ensures ultra-stable footage, rivaling top contenders like the GoPro Hero 13. Priced at 46,989 Indian rupees, the Osmo Action 5 Pro offers exceptional value for both enthusiasts and professionals. Its compact design and robust features make it a top choice for travelers seeking a reliable and high-quality action camera. On number 4 is GoPro Hero 4 Black. Imagine capturing your adventures in stunning 5.3K resolution with 91% more detail than traditional 4K. The GoPro Hero 13 Black, priced at 37,990 Indian rupees, offers this and more. Its innovative HB series lenses, including ultra-wide and macro options, provide unparalleled versatility for both expansive landscapes and intricate close-ups. With hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, your footage remains steady, even in the most dynamic scenarios. The camera's rugged design ensures durability, and its waterproof capabilities make it ideal for aquatic adventures. However, some users note that low-light performance could be improved, and the camera tends to heat up during extended use. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Hero 13 Black stands tall among the top action cameras of 2025, offering exceptional features that cater to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. On number 3 is WOLFANG Action Camera. Can you really get a 4K action camera for just $59.99? The WOLFANG GA100 is shaking up the market, proving that budget cameras can still pack a punch. With 4K UHD at 30 FPS and a 20MP photo resolution, it captures stunning details, whether you're biking down a mountain or diving underwater. Speaking of diving, its 40mm waterproof case ensures it can handle any adventure. EIS image stabilization keeps your shot smooth, while the dual microphone setup guarantees clear audio even in noisy environments. Plus, with Wi-Fi sharing, you can instantly upload your footage. This budget-friendly GoPro alternative even works as a webcam and dashcam, making it one of the top 5 best action cameras of 2025. If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful action camera, this might just be the best bang for your buck. Would you try it? On number 2 is DJI Osmo Action 4. Is the DJI Osmo Action for the ultimate action camera for your adventures? Boasting a 1.3-inch sensor, it excels in low-light conditions, capturing stunning footage even in challenging environments. With 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance, it offers seamless post-production editing, ensuring your videos have exceptional clarity and detail. Designed to withstand extreme conditions, the Action 4 operates reliably in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius -4 degrees Fahrenheit and provides up to 2.5 hours of battery life, making it a dependable companion for any adventure. Its 4K per 120 frames per second recording and 155 degrees ultra-wide field of view deliver immersive, high-resolution footage, perfect for capturing fast-paced sports activities. The magnetic quick-release system and native vertical video support make it easy to switch perspectives and create content ready for social media. Additionally, the 360 degrees HorizonSteady feature ensures ultra-stable footage even during full rotations. Priced at 26,989 Indian rupees, the DJI Osmo Action 4 offers a compelling blend of durability, versatility, and high-quality imaging, positioning it as a strong contender among the top action cameras of 2025. Now moving to the last one is Apexcam 4K 60 FPS. Can an action camera under $80 truly deliver top-tier performance? Enter the Apexcam Action Camera 4K 60 FPS, a budget-friendly device that challenges the norms. Boasting 4K video at 60 frames per second and 20MP photos, it ensures your adventures are captured with clarity. The built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, with a 6-axis gyroscope provides smooth footage, rivaling some of the top action cameras of 2025. Its 40-meter waterproof capability makes it ideal for diving and surfing enthusiasts. Additional features like loop recording, slow motion, and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens enhance its versatility. However, some users have reported that, despite its impressive specifications, the actual video and photo quality may not meet expectations, and the interface can be glitchy. Priced at $79.99, the Apexcam offers an affordable entry into action photography, but potential buyers should weigh these considerations before making a decision. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best action camera 2025. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.